Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping. Dankarella in the kitchen. She whipping. Yeah. Oh, y'all. Don't even worry about lunch today, baby. I got you. I'm finna show y'all how to make these club sandwiches. Here's everything you need right here. I got some Swiss cheese, American cheese, ham, cooked bacon, salt and pepper, some turkey, lettuce, tomato, and some bread. First, you're going to start off by toasting your bread. I don't need to show y'all how to toast bread. I know you know how to toast bread. You're going to get you some mayonnaise on there. A lot of people got a problem with mayonnaise. Get you some sandwich bread, get you some mustard, whatever you like. I love me some mayonnaise, though. You're going to get you some nice lettuce, some tomatoes, then you're going to get some turkey on there. So first mayonnaise, then lettuce, then tomato, then turkey. Get you some salt and pepper on here, y'all. Please, this just kick up the notches on the flavor so much. Then we coming through with the cheese, one of each. There go your Swiss, American, yes, some more mayonnaise. That's on the middle bread. If you know a club sandwich, you know I got 3 breads. So you're going to get some mayonnaise on both sides of that middle bread. Come through with some lettuce. Then you're going to put your bacon on top. Then you're going to get some more turkey breast. You already know. Coming through with the salt and pepper. Get that flavor going. Ooh, y'all put some more mayonnaise on the top bread. Ooh, look at that bad boy. Hey, I'm finna tear this up. Go ahead and stick some sticks in there, toothpicks, whatever you got. Because this sandwich gonna fall apart when you cut it, and you don't want that. Because you're gonna have to get 4 little triangles out of it, and that bad boy will fall apart, okay? Go ahead and get you some fries like they do at the restaurant. Set these up around them fries. Baby, look at that. It look like I done went to Denny's, okay? Yo, I'm finna tear this up. Look how it look on the inside, y'all. Yes, ma'am. So I'm going to get down on this, and I hope y'all have an amazingly productive day. Tell them haters stay up out your way. See y'all later. She in the kitchen, and she whipping.